So you might think that doing your family tree needs money, but it doesn't, because there are two key free resources that I'm going to tell you about in this video, so let's get to it. Now, the two ones to look out for are Family Search and WikiTree. Now, you might have heard of Family Search because it pretty much dominates the Google search results when you search for free family tree website, and I've been using it for the last couple of weeks. I found it to be quite good, but with a couple of caveats. I'm getting more and more into WikiTree. I found an 11th cousin through Family Search who told me to go on WikiTree because it was more accurate, as I'll explain. Both of them have their merits, and let's have a look now. Family Search, it's nice, it's easy to get started, it's wonderful because it's free and it's not buggy in any way. It's a really nice website with some really good fluid software that makes things very easy. I was really surprised how easy it was, because when you see a free website like that you think, how bad is this going to be? In fact, it's the opposite. Now, it's clearly got a lot of money invested in it. It's part of a religious mission in the US by the Latter-day Saints, and their non-profit organization really aims to help more and more people around the world map their family tree and dig into their family history, which is a really nice thing. But being free has a couple of issues in that anyone can add anything, anyone can edit anything. There's no hierarchy in determining who's right about anything, because it often just goes down to the last person to edit stays as the permanent record. So you can go back in and edit, but people can change things for your own family members that you know to be correct, and they can change them to something that's wrong. So that's a little bit of a bugbear. On the flip side, it's really cool because you can map out the family tree very quickly. There's matches for people who've already added your family members on there, so you can connect them, and it saves that time. It's also got a nice feature called a fan chart, which I'd never heard of, but it shows you different views of your family tree and your members in ways that gives it a new light, and it's really nice to use. Another thing I like about Family Search is that it allows you to connect with people. Unlike some of the paid platforms like Find My Past, where connecting with people is a little bit hard and not that easy to do, Family Search is very much about that. You can message people, people can set their preferences so they can have their email visible, you can message them on the platform. Even a nice feature I've got set up where I get a text message if anyone responds to me, because I often miss emails, but if anyone responds on the platform, I get a text message alert. So that's pretty cool, all for free. For a free website, they've done very well. The main drawback with Family Search is really around the accuracy of the data and not always knowing whose edits are going to remain on the record. Now, on the flip side, if we come over to WikiTree, as you can see over my shoulder, it's a little bit more intimidating, shall we say, to start, because it starts off saying where genealogists collaborate. Yeah, just had to check. That's what it says. So you feel a bit like, oh, is this for me as a hobbyist, as a novice? And I got a little bit put off by that, because I also thought, well, is it going to make me pay? Is it some kind of membership? But it's not. It's very much a collaborative platform, but it's a little bit less intuitive than Family Search. However, and again, as per my newly found 11th cousin told me, it's just much better all round because people there are often professionals. There's a community aspect where you can ask questions, and also it has a lot of the same features as Family Search, not quite as nice visually, but it does have a lot of those, as well as a more robust auditing system for the edits that are made. Because it's a wiki, it also handles edits over time really well, and it is really good for that. So it's worth having a look, but you can get a little bit lost because it's not quite as intuitive. To be honest, I would recommend signing up for both and just having a play and seeing what you can do, because they're both free offerings that do a lot and can really help you on your family history journey and with your research. And with that said, go and check them out. I'll see you soon.